मेरे को भी कभी कभार लगा कि by your profile or something that Raghav is very a guy with a lot of attitude and कुछ भी था एक अलग तरीके का इंसान होगा. But I want to tell you on this note, the first day we were having a conversation over phone, and we talked about around 45 minutes. And जो इनको पर्सनली जानते हैं उनको पता है मैं अलग से क्या बोलूं. He's such a nice guy in that note, and he will give you that feeling like that yeah, you are a bro, you are a friend sort of thing. So no hard feelings on that note. So it's my
Yeah,
pleasure to have
yeah,
you on my session today.
yeah. No, no, it's my actually glad that you invited, and I'm really looking forward for this session. And thank you for amazing words. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. मतलब attitude, I would say होना चाहिए. मतलब you should always have a good attitude.
Yeah,
Not
that's
a
true.
not a
Hmm.
yeah, yeah, a good attitude. And I feel कि जब तक आप किसी से बात ना करो, मिलो ना, तब तक
Hmm.
कुछ पता नहीं
Hmm.
लगता. Correct?
पता नहीं चलता
मतलब
exactly.
correct.
Exactly.
So how are
So
you? You have been doing back-to-back lives, huh, every day?
बस आजकल यार शो वो कम है तो बस इसमें मजा आ रहा है ये कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ,
तो यार एक्चुअली क्या है ना आई एम ट्राइंग टू फिनिश अप विद अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल बिकॉज मुझे पता है आगे जाके यू विल ऑलवेज बी फ्लाइंग फिर
yeah,
ब्यूरोक्रेट्स
yeah.
के भी टाइम नहीं मिलता. सो
Mm-hmm.
क्योंकि मैं धीरे धीरे करके डालने वाला हूँ बट अभी लेट्स जितना हो सके अभी आई एम जस्ट डूइंग.
Perfect. Very
Yeah.
nice, very nice.
Yeah. So the first thing I'm gonna ask you is, that I don't know a lot of people might be knowing, beside a pilot, you are also a trainer. So if you can
Yeah,
tell me, because being a trainer, you need to train a junior as well as your seniors. So
yeah.
what sort of experience you get as being a trainer, and is it good, is it bad, or how does it feel like being a trainer?
Yeah, so I'll tell you. So I got my command back in 2014, and
Okay.
to become a trainer, you need certain amount of hours, which you fulfill actually in two years, you can say,
Oh.
to become a trainer. Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
But I choose to become a trainer a little later because I was quite young when I became commander, and I wanted to enjoy and have fun. And once you become a trainer, then you have to follow certain, discipline, and you have to be a role model for the person whom you're training, whether a
Hmm.
co-pilot or a captain, whoever. So I
Hmm.
had that share of my fun time. Also, along with that, I learned the aircraft a lot. There's a lot of difference
Hmm.
when you fly from the right seat and when you come on the left seat. Left seat is basically the
Yeah.
captain, when
Yeah.
the whole responsibility is on you. So taking a big responsibility like a trainer very early in the career, I didn't think it was very suitable for me. And it's okay, there is no regret. There's never a regret. So I think
Hmm.
last year I became trainer, and
Hmm.
so I'm quite happy now, and now I know the aircraft very well.
Hmm.
So it's always good to teach people. We always, it's not कि ऐसा नहीं है कि आपके पे लोगो लग जाए कि आप ट्रेनर हो तो आप तभी सिखाते हो. जब आप normally भी
Hmm.
captain होते हो, then also you teach lot of things to the co-pilots and the senior co-pilots,
Exactly.
the junior co-pilots. तो मेरे को लगा कि वही काम मैं as a line captain कर रहा हूँ. Why not take this opportunity and become a trainer? I'm actually kind of enjoying it a lot. कभी कभार काफी स्ट्रेसफुल भी हो जाता है, but that's okay, manageable. Yeah. So I love
Yeah.
I love my job. I love my job when I was a co-pilot, when I was a captain. Now I'm a trainer. So it's
Hmm.
amazing. Yeah.
Yeah. So, that's a very nice way you describe the thing. But जो मैं session करता हूँ, I do it a bit of serious sessions and try to
Mhm.
convey good things about the pilot's life.
Yeah.
So I want to ask you, I have seen a lot of pilots also portray a life into an inspiration or motivation. Rather, not only pilots, a lot of people nowadays try कि एक inspiration चीजें दिखाना चाहते हैं. But some
Mhm.
of the other, I personally feel that some people, I don't want to hurt anybody. Like some people just
Mhm.
shows their mask rather than the real face. So do you feel that it's just hiding the real face in front in the name of so-called inspiration or motivation?
I would say the maximum number of people they actually
Hmm.
portrayed, and I will not say that I don't portray anything. Like
Huh.
I try to be real as much as possible, but I try. How I respond is like when I get messages from my
Yeah.
followers that you're doing a
Yeah.
really good job, so that actually inspires me to do it even better. एंड रही बात जो आप पोर्ट्रे की कह रहे हो, हाँ बिल्कुल सही बात है. मतलब लॉट ऑफ
हाँ.
पीपल आई नो पर्सनली जो वो नहीं है वो दिखाते हैं, विच इज ओके यार, which is actually okay, you know, till the time people are getting
हाँ.
inspired, people are getting motivated, चाहे वो झूठ बोल
हाँ.
के कर रहा है चाहे वो सच बोल के कर रहा है, वो तो उसकी अपनी you know अपने आप को वो खुद ही जानता है ना. You can, like, I spoke to you once, so
हाँ.
whatever you told me I believed, right? And whatever I
Yeah.
told you, you believed. तो मैं चाहे
Exactly.
झूठ भी बोल रहा हूँ तो you will never come to know, right? So till the
Yeah.
time the cause is good, if you're motivating someone in a good
हाँ.
path, it doesn't
हाँ.
matter. I don't mind that. I
हाँ.
don't mind that.
Hmm. Okay. So,
So there's,
आजकल.
you know, and
Tell me.
also about the portrait, about the mask, and also not corona wala mask, but the mask. So a lot of people, tell me that, you know, Captain, when you are in uniform, you are very different,
Hmm.
and when you are outside, you know, we meet outside, and you're very different. That's how it's
Hmm.
supposed to be, right?
Hmm.
I cannot take my job lightly, and I cannot be serious when I'm not on my job. So
Yeah.
sometimes you have to act where you are, and that's
Hmm.
absolutely okay. That's absolutely okay till the time you're not really faking it, you know, because
हाँ.
certain discipline is required in our job, I feel. And
हाँ.
that is, and the captain sets the complete tone of the, you know, flight. So whether
हाँ.
it's the captain, then the first officer, then the cabin crew, and everyone, you know. So it's very important to set that discipline example. Yeah. You can't be casual
Yeah.
कि कल रात को हम पार्टी कर रहे थे, अभी भी फ्लाइट पे हम लोग वैसे ही, ना ना ना, that doesn't happen, at least not on my flight. It doesn't happen, it never happens. Yeah.
Okay. So you mean to say, like, when in the profession, be serious. Otherwise, like, just don't be casual in that note.
Yeah, yeah, you will not believe, a lot of my friends, you know, close friends,
हाँ.
very close friends, वो कहते तेरे को क्या हो जाता है, you know, when you are on a, I'm like, yeah, that's my bread and butter, you know, wherever I am today is because of this job. I
Hmm.
have to take it
Exactly.
seriously. I cannot. गलती होती है. It's a
Hmm.
गलती किसी से भी होती है, और हमारी लाइफ में बहुत गलतियां होती हैं यार. Honestly, you know, we are human. हम लोग tired होते हैं, हम लोग emotionally
हाँ.
affect होते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें होती है. Sometimes you
हाँ.
don't recognize, you know, you don't recognize कि you are in 100% you know, correct state of mind, and गलतियां
हाँ.
होती है, but that is something else. But जितना आप discipline maintain कर सकते हो उतना तो कर ही सकते हो यार.
हाँ. That's true. That's obviously true. And
I'm not very
tell
good
me.
with the words. I'm not very good with the words. So if you don't understand anything, please ask me again, okay?
No, no, no. You are extremely good with the words. सबको समझ आ रहा है. ऐसा
No,
कुछ नहीं है.
no. Yeah, yeah.
You are extremely. It's just the humbleness Captain Raghav is showing, but you are
नहीं
extremely good with
नहीं.
the words. So, I want to ask you something that nowadays, lockdown के वजह से ये सबसे ज्यादा पता चला कि we might have a lot of friends in social media or in so-called our real life, but हर इंसान की कुछ ups and downs जिंदगी में जाता है. तुम आपके साथ भी हो, हमारे साथ भी होता है, किसी के साथ भी होता है. And that time we crave for a good friend.
Yeah, yeah.
So I personally believe that, you just make 2 friend या 3 friend, 2-3 दोस्त बनाओ, बस ऐसे दोस्त बनाओ जो रात को 3 बजे कॉल करो भी उठ पे आएगा, सुबह 6 बजे भी उठ के आएगा. So do you believe in that? Like, do you go in that methodology?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Because
Maybe if
in
you,
because in your industry, a lot of people also get good friendship with you all, but वो फिर आगे जाके काम पे नहीं आता है. You know what I mean?
I got your point.
Yeah.
So, अगर आप में से एक क्वेश्चन 7-8 साल पहले पूछते तो मैं कहता नहीं यार, मेरे बहुत दोस्त हैं. I know this, I know him, I know him, I know him. So, I think last 2-3 years I have defined a very fine line between friends and acquaintance, co-workers,
Yeah.
colleagues, you know. So, सच्ची बताऊं, सिर्फ 5-6 दोस्त हैं मेरे, जिनके साथ I'm like, जैसे अभी when we were talking, you know, so I was actually trying to sleep, and I told them that don't come to my house, and they just showed up, you know, they just showed up. So I was in my pajamas and, you know, messy hair, and I went in. So like, उन लोगों के साथ I don't have to, you know, pretend anything, and they are my friends, you know. But उसके अलावा I think ये friends word is very overrated, you know. ये हम लोग 90s के बच्चे हैं ना, मतलब हम लोग बड़े हुए हैं, वो
Old
मुझसे
school.
दोस्ती
We are the old
करोगे,
school.
हाँ, फ्रेंड्स नहीं होते, ये नहीं होता, वो फ्रेंडशिप डे एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, यू नो,
हाँ
इट्स लाइक
हाँ
इट्स ओवररेटेड. सो आई रियली फील इन लाइफ यू हैव वेरी few friends who are there from,
हाँ
you know, childhood. I'm lucky to have, like, I'm 30-year-old and I have friends like 26, you know, for 26 years with long friendship. So
oh my god
yeah, like, we are together from prep standard, and they are always there, you know, they are always around. So
yeah
ऐसा नहीं है कि हर रोज उनसे बात होती है, महीने दो
हाँ
तीन महीने बाद नहीं भी होगी, उसके बाद भी होती है. तो
हम्म
we know कि, कि ये
हम्म
है. But
हम्म
like you said, I know a lot of people, like 10 years in industry, and total 13 years of in flying. I know a lot of people. I know the names, but that doesn't mean they are my friends, you know. I will
yeah
be very nice to them. I'm very polite to them, very
हाँ
respectful. If I can help, uh, I will help them. But
yeah
जो चार पांच जो दोस्त है उनके लिए, yes, you are ready to do anything, you know. So yeah.
exactly exactly
That's my, and I have nothing to hide, you know. So जो सच है वो है. That's how I am.
yeah I
Yeah.
also feel that you are very straightforward and cut to the face and ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि ये ऐसे लोग दिल के सच्चे होते हैं I
हाँ तभी मैं,
personally believe
you know, अभी 2 दिन पहले I was flying with this first senior person, very nice guy, you know, he joined from Jet
हाँ
Airways, very nice guy. So
okay हाँ
we were doing 4 sectors, and people actually don't like that flight
हाँ
which we were doing,
हाँ
and we actually gelled up so well during
हाँ
those 4 sectors, and at the end he said, you know,
हाँ
Captain, आप ना मेरी
अरे
तरह हो,
तापसी
and
भाई राम राम
हाँ. Hi
yeah
Tapsi,
please
how are you?
yeah
So
yeah
he's like कि आप ना मेरी तरह हो, और हम लोगों के ना ज्यादा
हाँ
दोस्त नहीं होते हैं. And I'm like, हाँ
हाँ
यार, मतलब ठीक है, मतलब it's okay not to have much
oh he
friends,
told
but
you that thing
he
अच्छा
told me
अच्छा
he could
हाँ
relate, you
हाँ
know, he could relate that he's like, we are kind
हाँ
of similar. Yeah, and which
हाँ
is okay, which is okay.
yeah yeah that's true that's true and this is a sort of question I want to ask to all the pilots I ever did a session or I personally met few of them that somewhere the aviation industry has been defined as a luxury industry where first class stays, beautiful girls, traveling around the globe. But
Mm-hmm.
I personally feel क्योंकि जब मैं किसी के साथ बात करता हूँ तो they used to say अरे यार चार चार सेक्टर करते हैं हम लोग, हमारी हालत क्या होता है हमें पता है. So I
Mm-hmm.
personally feel that the hard work somewhere gets hidden by the glamour we see. Do you feel that it's true?
Yeah, सच बताऊं, when so becoming a pilot is okay,
हाँ.
is not my childhood dream. Okay, I'll be very straightforward.
Oh
मेरा,
अच्छा seriously?
हाँ, ये मेरा कोई
हाँ
सपना नहीं था. ठीक है.
हाँ
Yes, I love flying now. I
हम्म,
fell in love with flying when I started doing my CPL, when I flew the aircraft and all that.
हाँ
But
हाँ
हमने भी ना यही देखा था. ठीक है. जब हम when
okay
you're a 17-year-old, you see this,
हाँ
यार
हाँ
बढ़िया
हाँ
job
हाँ
है, uniform है, you will travel. This I'm talking about for a person
yes
who doesn't have a dream of becoming a pilot. Okay, this is my story. I don't know,
हम्म,
people will be able to relate it or not, but this is
हम्म,
what me and one of my friends we decided, कि यार the
हम्म,
life is good, the salaries are good, you travel,
yeah
and
yeah
and honestly, I wanted to do UPSC. You are actually taking interviews and also
oh
that
my
was my
goodness is that true?
yeah, that was my primary goal. That was my primary goal. So I
Okay
also
so
had this
आप
thing that,
प्रिपेयर भी किया
yeah,
था उसके लिए मतलब फुल यूपीएससी
prepare.
के लिए
So I started with my graduation in physics
अरे
honors, and
हाँ
I took a admission in Delhi University. And उसके
okay
पहले फिर लोगों से पता करा कि यार ग्रेजुएशन मत करो, अभी आप CPL करो, बिकॉज अभी बूम है, और अभी you'll get a
हाँ
job easily. This is back in 2007. ठीक है.
yeah
और 2008 तक जब तक हम वापस आए तब तक सब कुछ खत्म, everything,
खत्म हो गया
there
हाँ
was a recession. So yeah,
हाँ
so
हाँ
coming back to the point which we were discussing. So I saw that, and I also thought कि मैं 10 साल ये काम करूंगा, and उसके बाद I'll
हाँ
switch. मेरी एज कुछ 28 29 होगी, and I will clear the exam and जो करके ये, this was my determination. ठीक है.
प्लान ऐसे हाँ
Trust me, like
हाँ
2 3 years into the job, I was like नहीं हो
हाँ
पाएगा और कुछ नहीं कर सकता मैं. ठीक है. So yeah, that's a
हाँ
reality. And
हाँ
मजा अगर यार
नहीं
I was,
I'm just
हाँ
interrupting you between
हाँ
like you
हाँ
said ना नहीं हो पाएगा क्यों नहीं हो
हाँ
पाएगा means is that the
अच्छा,
time
या
you are facing a problem
नो
और
नो
वो
नो नो
वो
नो नो नो
laziness आ गई
नो, टाइम भी नहीं, लेजीनेस भी नहीं. my Okay, I didn't want, but my mom, she's the commissioner.
Uh,
Okay, so I have seen her life and everything. So yeah,
she's a
so
commissioner.
yeah. So I've seen her
I
life,
mean, police
everything.
commissioner.
uh, in some ministry. Yeah, her
अच्छा,
designation.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So I've seen, बचपन से वो देखा है उनको and all that. So I always wanted कि यार ऐसा होना चाहिए. कितना अच्छा रुतबा होता है and all that. And
Hmm,
अच्छा लगता है. So, but
hmm,
then I started comparing, the kind of luxuries I was getting over
हाँ,
here at the age very early, 21, 20 की
हाँ,
age में. And I started comparing slowly. ऐसा नहीं 2-3 साल
हाँ,
लगे उस चीज को. And then I evaluated the situation. I was like कि यार अगर नहीं हो पाएगा, you
हाँ,
you get accustomed, you get what used to certain kind of living, standard of living, and it's very
hmm,
difficult to step down from there, which is okay. Also, I was loving my job. ऐसा नहीं है कि यार
yeah,
सिर्फ पैसे के लिए मैं यहाँ पर हूँ या ग्लैमर. आई लव टू फ्लाई एयरक्राफ्ट टिल नाउ. देयर आर फर्स्ट ऑफिसर्स who कहेंगे सर सारे सेक्टर्स कर लूँ मैं. नहीं, दो तेरे दो मेरे. And if somebody is
अच्छा,
lazy, I don't mind flying all four sectors. So I have been flying for now, what, 9 years this aircraft. So
yeah,
I
yeah,
love to fly. So धीरे धीरे मतलब there's lot of things.
हाँ,
And like you said,
हाँ,
ये जो glamour है, ये reality है यार. आप you go back 20 when you
hmm,
were 20, है ना. आपको अच्छी
yeah,
सैलरी मिल रही है, आप अच्छे होटल्स में रह रहे हो, आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, you're
hmm,
meeting good people, you're meeting nice people.
yeah,
So
yeah,
what's wrong in that? What's wrong? Why you have to struggle for everything? लोग बोलते हैं यार आपकी
exactly,
स्ट्रगल जरूरी है. स्ट्रगल करना, अगर if you're smart, why to struggle? Just be smart.
yeah,
That's my point of view. जरूरी थोड़ा ना
yeah,
पसीना बहाना है यार धूप में जाके.
exactly, exactly. That's a very nice way you said. I also believe in that hard work के साथ साथ ना कभी कभी smart work भी करना चाहिए. नहीं तो फिर आगे दिक्कत हो जाता है. फिर सिर्फ हार्ड वर्क आजकल चलता नहीं है किसी न
हाँ,
किसी तरह से.
एग्जैक्टली
So
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली. तो जो हार्ड वर्क होता है वो मैं जिम में कर लेता हूँ, है ना. जो मतलब वो मेहनत वाला काम है वो जिम में कर लेता हूँ. जो
हाँ,
दिमाग वाला काम है
हाँ.
वो जहाज पे कर लेता है, जो भी है. हाँ.
ये सही है. So
This is
you know
my
a lot.
philosophy. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. You know, a lot of people, normal people, those who are not from the aviation industry, they are always worried about something. How is a pilot life? कैसा होता है एक pilot की life पूरे, like how it goes,
It's
like while
amazing,
flying
man.
alone.
Trust me. Trust me.
अच्छा, अच्छा,
I hate those people who say यार थक गए, ये हो गया. ठीक है, थकते कौन सी जॉब में नहीं थकते यार. Your work, the work which you do, it's so much of hard working,
yeah,
it's every work is like that. But imagine, you were dying to get this job. And आज आपके पास
yeah,
जब वो नौकरी मिल गई है तो आप कह रहे हो अरे थक गए, अरे ये हो गया. Come on, you're just fucking 25 years old, man.
yeah,
People
yeah,
don't even, people are starting till that age and you have a
yeah,
job. So
true.
respect
You've
that,
done a job.
या
Yeah,
एग्जैक्टली. तो मेरे को बहुत लोग, एंड मैं तो मुंह पे बोलता था कि यार तू हटेगा ना, वो 10,000 लोग बैठे हैं नौकरी लेने के लिए या
हाँ,
5,000
true,
लोग बैठे हैं.
true.
तो ऑलवेज
Exactly.
थिंक द ग्रास इज
Yeah.
ऑलवेज ग्रीन ऑन द अदर साइड.
Uh, your aviation industry also going, salary cuts and other things and going on. And there's a huge questions going around nowadays. All the aspirants want to ask that is it the right time to go for CPL? So what are you gonna say for them?
कल एक्चुअली मैंने सोचा इस बारे में क्योंकि मेरे को लग रहा था एक क्वेश्चन आएगा. तो
हाँ,
कैन यू हियर मी क्लियरली?
perfect.
ओके, सो सीपीएल जैसे काफी लोग डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, इट्स नथिंग, नो बिग डील. इट्स नो बिग डील. ओके, सो आपको 10th-12th अगर आपने अच्छे से कर ली, यू कैन डू सीपीएल. अगर अच्छे से नहीं भी करी तब भी आप कर लोगे
हाँ,
सीपीएल. ठीक है, सीपीएल
हाँ,
इज स्टार्ट. सो आई वाज जस्ट
हाँ,
थिंकिंग, क्योंकि इससे पहले भी मैंने 2-3 लाइव सेशन करे, क्वेश्चन करा, तो मैंने भी बोला गलती से, मतलब मैं अपने आप को ठीक करूंगा कि यार जिसको
हाँ,
पायलट बनना है ना बन जाओ, वैसा वाला मैंने बोला.
हाँ,
But I would say
हाँ,
if it's so easy, if it is so easy to do a CPL and it takes 6 months, why can't you
हाँ,
just wait for things to get better? It will just
yeah,
take 6 months.
yeah,
If it's so
yeah,
easy and if you have the funds,
yeah,
let the jobs come out and you go in January, finish it by June, July, come back and get a job. That is
yeah,
my point.
हाँ,
So
yeah,
मैंने पहले ये बोला था, I think दो sometimes you get carried away with your friends, what
हाँ,
they are saying and all those things.
yeah,
But yesterday, since you said, we're gonna have a face-to-face interview, I thought about it,
हाँ,
and I really think,
हाँ,
if it's that easy, why can't,
हाँ,
people wait for some time,
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that's
So
true.
I would say
That's
थोड़ा सा टाइम दो, इंडस्ट्री को उठने दो. एटलीस्ट सैलरीज तो रिवाइज होने दो यार। मतलब you are gonna put 1 crore or 80 lakhs for that matter, अगर आप वो
yeah.
पैसा अपना, if it's not only the passion, if it's only for money, or if it's
हाँ,
I'll tell you one thing, money is important, okay? अगर आप 1
yeah.
करोड़ लगा के if you're not able to recover it in 10 years, then what's the point यार? What's the point, you know? So you can always
Exactly.
wait for a couple of more months and then decide. अभी चीजें improve हो रही हैं, हाँ अभी चीजें improve हो रही हैं, but let it revive completely.
Exactly.
This is
Exactly.
my
I think
new thought. This is very my new thought, because I thought it's so easy, 6-7 महीने लगते हैं यार। आप पहले तब तक अपना सारा प्रिपेयर कर लो, अपने रिटन एग्जाम्स दे दो, अपना फ्लाइंग स्कूल डिसाइड कर लो, अपने फंड्स इकट्ठा कर लो, एंड द मिनट द मार्केट ओपन्स, जस्ट गो एंड डू योर CPL and get it done.
Yeah, that's honestly true.
Yeah.
And patience, somewhere or the other, somebody, Bhagwan बोले चाहे कोई बोले, they are testing our patience naturally through this
Patience
COVID
is
time.
so important, Patience is so
Yeah.
important, Till the time you don't have
Yeah.
something, you need to have patience, yeah.
अच्छा, एक चीज बताओ, कल रात से ना मेरे को बहुत लोगों ने डीएम किया है, यू आर डूइंग
जी।
अ सेशन विद राघव सर, ये क्या प्रिंस चार्ल्स, विराट कोहली, ये क्या चक्कर है?
विराट,
मैं इसका जवाब दे दे के परेशान हो गया। मैंने बोला मेरे को पता नहीं यार, ये क्या है, क्या प्रिंस चार्ल्स बुलाते हैं तुम्हें, क्या इसका क्या सीन है?
अरे यार, I'll tell you. Okay, I'll tell you. I am like we all are pampered, right, in our family. So अब वो बचपन से ना मेरा फ्रेंड सर्कल एक ही रहा है ना, तो you get very comfortable. They become like a family. So I'm very lazy person. I'm a very lazy person. When I'm not working, when I'm not in gym, otherwise I'm very lazy. So I don't do
चलो हाई
anything.
फाइव, इस बात के लिए हाई फाइव।
हाय भाई, यू विल नॉट बिलीव, हम लोग इतने, और ये मैं नहीं हूँ, ये मेरा पूरा ग्रुप है, ठीक है? हम लोग थाईलैंड में थे, फुकेट में बेसिकली, एंड हम लोग एक फ्रेंड के बैचलर्स के लिए गए थे। वी वेंट फॉर अ स्विम, वी आर सिटिंग इन द रूम, वी ऑर्डर्ड फॉर फूड, वी आर डाइंग टू हैव फूड, डोरबेल बजती है, ठीक है, टिंग टोंग, तो तीनों एक दूसरे की शक्ल देख रहे हैं। You will not believe, nobody went till 10 minutes. 10 minutes, मतलब हद होती है यार, मतलब। And finally I had to fucking kick one person की साले लेके आ, भूख लग रही है, वरना मैं
अच्छा, मतलब कोई उठ के दरवाजा नहीं खोलेगा?
You're dying of hunger, but they will not move, that kind of a group we have. So वो होता है ना, एक दूसरे को देख के वैसे वैसे, and then I think I'm the laziest amongst everyone, everyone कुछ ना कुछ थोड़ा effort डाल देते हैं, मैं बिल्कुल नहीं डालता, so that's why they call me like that. Yeah, Virat Kohli का I don't know why, I don't know about Virat Kohli thing. So Prince Charles तो I know.
चलो सही है, जो भी है, ये लोगों का प्यार होता है, लोग आपको इस चीज में देखते हैं, and that's the love they all show, it feels good. So yeah. I just want to connect my last question to you on this note, that somewhere सोशल मीडिया में इतने लोग प्यार करते हैं, इतने लोग यार ना, आई लव यू राघव, आई जस्ट लव योर फिजिक, यू आर सो हैंडसम, हंक, ये वो, but there is also a part of game that plays on social media that's called hatred, आजकल तो ऐसे है, कुछ लोग ढंग से जानते भी नहीं है कौन है, ऐसे उठपटांग कह के चले जाते हैं। So and I personally feel like, if I talk about myself, we are of near about of the same age, so we got that maturity, so उतना hatred हम लोग affect नहीं करता personal level पे। But I just want to ask you question on this note, because there are a lot of young follows you, because अब जब बच्चे को किसी को hatred भेज देते हैं ना, they get defamed, when they get defamed, so they feel low down. How will you describe this, that how to overcome this social media hatred thing?
Yeah.
If you ever faced this hatred, you can share your story as well.
Honestly, touch wood, I think 1000 में से एक मैसेज ऐसा आता होगा which is मेरे को कोई मायने नहीं रखता, ठीक है? touch wood, मतलब everything is pretty good, and I don't think so कि मैं किसी को कुछ बुरा गाइड कर रहा हूँ or something like that, and I take the opinion. Anyway, okay, coming back to the hatred point. Okay, so like you said, youngster. So when I was young, and I'm a proper Delhiite, so born and grown up over here. So बहुत aggressive, I used to be very aggressive. So किसी ने कुछ online लिख दिया, उस टाइम पे Facebook होता था, ठीक है? मेरे को याद है किसी ने
उसके पहले भी एक चीज होता था, अब पता नहीं अब यूज किया कि नहीं किया, मैंने बहुत किया वो।
हाँ, और कुछ होता था, करेक्ट। तो एक बार ना किसी ने ऐसे कुछ उल्टा कमेंट लिख दिया मेरी फ्रेंड के बारे में, and I was very, young होते हैं, you're very possessive about your friends and all. भाई बात यहाँ तक पहुंच गई, तो अपना एड्रेस दे, मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ, ऐसा वाला। So, so there's a difference, so there's a difference that I was what, 18, 17 years old and now 30-year-old. So now the hatred is, you just ignore it. You have to understand that you cannot change the world. You have to change yourself, you have to change. So
yeah,
that's how I look, maybe, if this guy is writing, abusive language over here, or if this guy is, abusing a girl, so that's maybe it's common in his house, we
yeah,
can't help it.
yeah,
That is my thinking, I don't go to that down level, and I very well know, क्या messages चल रहे हैं। दिल्ली से हम भी हैं, ठीक है, तो हमें भी पता है, हमने भी सब कुछ करा है, लड़ाई झगड़े गाली गलौज सब कुछ करा है, बट you rise above it, that is maturity,
exactly.
when you grow, you learn so many things, you travel, you meet new people, you overcome those things, you overcome those things, and hatred is okay. I would say hatred से better है कि आप अपना opinion रखो, which is okay, which is okay. आप बोलो कि यार वीम आप ना सही नहीं बोल रहे यार, आप ना इसको ऐसे बोलो,
exactly.
which is acceptable. But when you start abusing someone whom you don't even know, आपको उसकी story नहीं पता, कुछ नहीं पता, that is wrong. That is wrong. But how I take it personally, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Because जहाँ पे मैं हूँ, अपनी मेहनत से हूँ, और जहाँ पे मैं 10 साल बाद हूँगा, वो भी मैं अपनी ही मेहनत से हूँगा, and I will be responsible for it. I don't give any F to anyone. जो है सच्ची बात है यार, ना आप मेरे को खाना खिला रहे हो, ना कोई मेरे को खाना खिला रहा है
exactly.
यार. आप अच्छे से बात करोगे, मैं आपसे अच्छे से बात करूंगा. आप अब्यूज करोगे, 10 साल पहले I would have beaten you, but right now I will just walk away,
yeah.
Yeah.
That's how maturity plays a role.
Exactly.
अब जैसे अभी बताया ना, तो एक छोटा सा चीज याद है मुझे. I was we doing a panel, and there was one ma'am. I just don't want to take her name because it's not allowed in the protocol. She is one of the senior head of investigations department agencies of our country. So she was telling that she just have a private profile, but किसी भी तरह से कोई किसी को request भेज दिया, accept कर लिया, उसको भी याद नहीं है, and they used to continuously abuse them. Okay, so she was telling, it just took me 2 minutes to just get his exact location where he's standing right now. If I know, if I want, I can do anything. But that's the maturity you get with your power, because you are in a huge department, and that's the power that you know how to use it. And फिर उसने उसको अच्छे से समझाया कॉल करके, बेटा ऐसा नहीं करने का. And he was like outstruck, like मेरा फोन नंबर कहाँ से मिल गया.
फोन नंबर.
So this is what it happens, Actually किसी को गाली गलौज करने के पहले ना, मेरे को लगता है पहले पता कर लो कर किसको रहे हो, इसका उल्टा असर तुम्हें ऊपर ना पड़ जाए.
Yeah, we also abuse. ऐसा नहीं है, अगर मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ बैठा हूँ, we also abuse, but we don't abuse to others, we don't let them know that we're abusing them, because किसी को क्यों आपको बुरा भला बोलना है यार, क्यों फालतू में, मतलब I have stopped doing that long back, But if you ask my school friends, ये वो कहेंगे झूठ बोल रहा है, because I was like opposite, like.
वो सबके साथ होते school friends.
I've been into fights, I've been into road rages, what not, and thank God I did that, so I'm over that now, over that phase, yeah.
That I just personally I liked this thing about you is, बहुत लोग ये जो आप कह रहे हो ना, honestly, मैंने ये सब कर चुका है, मैं ये सब फेस करके आ चुका हूँ, अभी मैच्योरिटी है. बहुत लोगों को ये हिम्मत नहीं होगा ये बताने के लिए, हाँ भाई मैंने किया है. वो फिर भी अपने आप को they want to show a clear picture in front of the media. No, मैं तो ऐसे कभी किया ही नहीं, मैं बचपन में सीधा साधा था.
जो है सो है यार, जो है सो है, मतलब उसमें क्या है. हाँ. The thing is, you should improve, it's everywhere. Like, अगर आप improve कर रहे हो, आप चीजें सीख रहे हो, you're becoming a better person. There's no comparison, there's no competition with my batchmates or my friends. It's like, मैं जो कल था, मैं आज उससे better हूँ या नहीं हूँ. That should be the main idea about life,
Yeah. Honestly, like I personally I love the way you speak, and मतलब एक देख के लगता है you have an internal somebody else, Raghav, जो दिखाई देता है, which is there's lot to learn from you. That the best thing is when you are so honest about yourself. हाँ मैंने एक टाइम पे ये सब किया था, and I understand this. This is all you are getting this success today. This is all you get so much of love from people that you actually लोगों को ये अच्छा लगता है. So thank you so much for joining this session, and thank you so much for sharing so much of knowledge to me. And
thank you, Veem. Thank you. It's amazing, like
It's
very nice. I hope I was able to convey, whatever you were asking me. I was able to answer it properly.
huh. No, definitely. You have answered it in very nice way, in a very beautiful manner, and I think this is gonna help to all the people, those who are gonna watch it and those who are watching. उनके लिए अच्छे एक सही जगह पे पहुंच जाए वही हमारी, this is what we both are trying to do. So
Hmm.
honestly, thank you. Take care of yourself and keep
Yeah.
inspiring with your good work.
All right. Thanks, man. Thank you for your kind words,
Yeah.
and all the
Bye
best
bye.
to you for whatever your future things you're gonna do. And we'll be in touch. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely, definitely,
Yeah.
definitely,
Thanks,
definitely.
V.
Take
Yeah.
care.
I'll see you around.
Bye
Yeah.
bye.
Yeah. See you.
Yeah,
Take care.
done, done.
Yeah. Bye bye.